welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to present to you another makeup video. Well, in today's makeup tutorial, it's virtually more or less like a foundation makeup routine, foundation concealer actually. So I get to show you the best easy ways to apply your foundation and slay all day and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks to all the fam, like, you guys are helping grow this YouTube page, and I'm so grateful. I'm so really grateful. So please do subscribe if you're new to this channel, and yeah, let's get into this video. So I start off by cleaning my face. I use the regular baby wipes. I'm going in with two primers today. That's the Rimel and the Maybelline Baby Skin. Make sure you have a good skin prep before applying in your primer. So I'll be using the Flawlessivy foundation in an angled brush. And then I warm it at the back of my palm first of all. And I try to apply my foundation actually first to the lower portions of my face before I do. And then apply it to this area, because I'm going to be applying concealer to this area, and less is more when it comes to makeup applications. So at this point, I apply the foundation with my finger, and I do it in small bits. Especially if you're using a matte foundation, you need to work your way through in smaller bits, because the foundation dries up real quick. So I could build this up, but we're gonna keep it like this. So I'll pick up the darker one and apply that to the most outer sections of my face. So I apply the concealer, first the darker concealer, and then I work my way through to the very areas that are so necessary for you to apply, because we have a natural highlight. So I'm just putting the concealer to brighten up those areas of my natural face highlights. So yeah, so my nose, my under eye, my chin, my forehead, a bit of my forehead, and all that stuff. So at this point, I'm using the brighter concealer shade, and I go in. I actually let it sit for a while before I go in to blend it all out. I'm using another angled brush. It's virtually like a foundation brush, but I'm using another angled brush to gently buff all this thing out. Make me want to spend money, so go down on the low, down on the low, make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low, baby, no one has to know, no one has to know, baby, my body, go down on the low, down on the low. And I go in to use the darker foundation, so either a dark concealer or a dark foundation, just to get the cheekbones right and all that good stuff. Yes, so make sure you blend that through into your hairline, so there's no like difference, like it's all one like skin, you get it. And don't forget to do the nose contour as well, like you guys know the steps. So yeah. Every time I see your face, not so I just start go down on the low, down on the low. So I go in to use like pressed powder first. These are L.A Girl pressed powders. I'll list all the shades I use in the description bar down below, but I go in to use the pressed powders first before, if I choose to bake, well, that's fine. But so in all the areas I applied the concealer and the foundation, I make sure I use the pressed powder over it to set it, because those are liquidy and you need to set them with powders. So yeah. My body, yeah. It make me want to spend money, yeah. Say your love, it is sweet in my body, yeah. It
make me want to spend money. So go down on the low, down on the low, make it do I'm on the low.
Don't forget to use your actual face powder to set the entire makeup face. Yes guys, so at this point I came back with my face almost all done, eyeshadow and eyebrow all done, lashes, like yeah, and I go into the loose powder to bake the areas in which I concealed. So this is the trick you could use. Go in to use your foundation brush to actually blend the powder into your face. I actually realized that when you blend your loose powder into your face, it gives you a really seamless, like flawless finish, and it's just so pretty. So at this point the makeup is almost virtually done. Don't forget to do the pop and highlight, guys, like it's so very necessary, and blush to bring back some life. I think I went very little on the blush today, like and yeah, don't forget to line the lip before you actually apply your lipstick. It gives you a good, like, I feel doing it first is actually like way prettier than doing it after. So this is another trick, guys. After you use your setting spray, make sure to press the setting spray with the powder, like with the powder brush, into your face. This is another like great foundation trick that will make your makeup last all day, like. So this entire look is all done. My whole foundation routine, like skin, you see that? You see that? This is skin, like skin. Like my eyeshadow work I did off camera because the whole attention was on the foundation and the concealer application. So don't worry, I'll do another video for you guys, definitely. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for joining the fam. Thanks. God bless. Bye.
Baby girl, I fit fight for your matter. Yeah. I promise I no go to use you.